Here's a 1967 Galaxie. Started taking off the paint. Other video you can see how rusted it is. Down to bare metal. Got the vinyl top off of it. It's got a couple holes in it. There's the better side of the filler panels. You can see how rotted it is around the window. Fenders are pretty straight. There's no filler in them so far. The sail panel is definitely pretty rotted. Let's see how much of the new roof that I get. You definitely see the hole in the roof. The fender's dented. I gotta finish stripping off the paint and see how bad it is. The hood, pretty rusted. A little bit of work on it and it comes down pretty straight. Once you get it all cleaned up. Driver's side door, they tried to fix it at one point. It's got a lot of filler in it. I have to see what the shop says about fixing it, whether I need a new skin. Right now I'm getting ready to throw some primer on it so I'm not sanding it again. And that's it.